What is the reason for measuring with kind of a Williams probe regarding my recent case that I have done? So for a fiber reinforced composite restoration, where I am going to use fibers like interlake fibers, which are impregnated fibers with resin, or maybe polyethylene fibers like Rib-Bond. So if you are using fibers within a bed of flowable composite, so basically we check with Williams probe with the markings that what is the distance between the remaining tooth structure buccolingually and mesiodistally. So if the remaining tooth, the distance is around 5, 6 or 7 millimeters on the probe, then I would be cutting a 7 millimeters fiber, and then because it will take the shape of U inside the cavity, so the rule is that from the occlusal level it should be minimum 2 millimeters down. So when I shape it as a U shape, that 7 millimeters would around cover like just 2 millimeters above the occlusal surface would be cleared out, and the remaining structure would be with the fiber. So by reinforcing these fibers in a crisscross way, if it's a grossly decayed tooth in all directions, you get a very strong tooth then.